Hello and welcome back once again. This is the third quarterfinal match of the day, and it's being played between TEINEM and LAMLANG. TEINEM in their all black kit and LAMLANG in their yellow shirts and black shorts with black stockings. LAMLANG on the attack straight away. The pass from Tringaning a little heavy for Ransing, and it's a goal kick for TEINEM. Chasing for Panchok. Panchok was at the center of everything for TEINEM yesterday as they saw out a narrow 1-0 victory against Somdal. He will be hoping to have the same kind of influence in this game. King Pum, scorer of the winning goal yesterday, plays it long. Out by a LAMLANG defender, and a throw-in for TEINEM. Quite a pleasant day here in Talui. Perfect weather for playing football, and we've seen two exceptional matches. The first semi-final match that was played between Ngainge and sorry for the bit of a break in the commentary. We are being served coffee in the commentary box, so we were attending to that. So the first match was played between Ngainge and Ramvu, which Ngainge won 5-0 easily. The second quarter was played between El Pungter and Sirarakong. El Pungter coming up on top of that one, coming out on top of that one, courtesy of that header by Ninglum. They won that quarterfinal 1-0, and we have the third quarterfinal here. TEINEM in black and LAMLANG in yellow. Ganso takes the free kick for TEINEM, LAMLANG, and it's gone out for a goal kick for TEINEM. Klingbom plays it out wide for Taishing. Taishing was looking for Mathanmi. Mathanmi's flick on is cleared by Songrin. Somia now on this right flank for TEINEM. Somia's cross well intercepted by Songrin, who clears it, thumps it away for a corner. First corner of the game, and it falls TEINEM's way. Will be taken by Panchok on his left foot. It's taken short. Somia now on his right. Plays it back to Panchok. Panchok at the edge of the box. Panchok. Straight shot at goal collected by the LAMLANG goalkeeper. Foul through by Mathan on that far side. Throw in, which will be taken by Miami, and it's another foul through. Totri Khan up front now for jersey number 9, cleared by the TEINEM defense. Taishing back to Paisin. Paisin out for Somia. Somia on the run now on this right flank. Somia finds Panchok. Panchok. No, he found Maiko. Maiko was looking for the pass to Panchok. Good clearing header from Klingbom. Ringchon for LAMLANG. Ringchon plays it back to Ganso. Ganso clears it up front. Taishin for the ball inside the LAMLANG half again. Now Ringchon try to thread the ball through for Ngaran Singh. Well intercepted by Klingbom.
Third quarter-final match of Ahor. TEINEM versus LAMLANG. As we third quarter-final match, TEINEM versus LAMLANG. TEINEM na kazik sang naklay team inay. Yellow sang naklay bashi na LAMLANG bashi na. As in Rio naklay player listing pa shot migay. TEINEM ay na number 1 Rachipem YS, number 2 Kayingpam W Shimre, jersey number 23 Paisin Valui, jersey number 3 Taising Bashi,
Kayingpam
jersey number
out
2
for
Miami W Shimre,
Miami.
jersey number 17 Pancho
Miami
W
for
Shimre,
Timiashang.
29 Naomi
Timiashang
Mathanmi
cleared
YS,
by Ganso.
Meiko Shimre,
One back by
Yashang
Panchok
Valui,
in his.
Somiya, Shongzan,
It nearly fell to
Her, Kershok Valui,
Somaya. Good goalkeeping from the
Raying
LAMLANG
Bashi,
goalkeeper.
Mahaimung Ramror,
Panchok again.
Strung Ramror,
Dispossessed that time by Ngaran Singh, but TEINEM win back possession again. Miami to Panchok. Panchok to Taising. Taising inside for Mathanmi. Mathanmi out wide for Miami. Miami has Timiashang on the left flank. He chose instead to pass it to Nganaumi. Nganaumi now. Nganaumi was looking for the cross on the right flank for Somaya, and Meiko spun off his feet. Mathan. Miami back to Ringchon. Ringchon one back by Timiashang. Now with Panchok. Panchok finds Meiko. Meiko. It's a bad control from the striker. but Mako wins back possession anyway. Plays it back to Taising. Taising now with Todrikan. Todrikan finds Ransing. Ransing cannot keep the ball. Ball back with Matanmi of TEINEM. Miami was looking for Naomi. Beautiful comical passage of play there, as I think it was Chingening's. No, not Chingening. Lemia. I think it was Lemia's boot who's. I think it was Lemia's boot that went off as he was trying to clear that ball.
Long shot to play
Panchok for TEINEM. Panchok will play it to the left hand side. Miami finds Tim Yashang. Tim Yashang emerges. Is running down the wing. This ball for Nganaomi was played a little too late, and Nganaomi had stayed a yard or so offside. Tim Yashang for Mako. Mako goes past Mohanso. It's Mako now. Mako crosses it in, and it's good defending by Songrin. Back at in again by Matanmi. Cleared further by Songrin. Taising now. Taising with a crossfield ball. Well defended by Mathan, and the shot from Tim Yashang in the end sails wide off the far post. Push on the back of Matanmi. Ring John. Free kick taken quickly. Tim Yashang. Well defended by Ring John. One back by King Bum. King Bum plays it long, straight at the LAMLANG goalkeeper. Panchok. Panchok to Matanmi. 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 Matanmi still with the ball in the middle of the park. Somia tries to keep it in. He keeps it in, and his cross is cleared by Songorin. It's been some performance from Songorin so far. He has always been at the right place at the right time to put in vital interception, vital blocks. The cross has been coming in from this right side. Panchok, the left-footed midfielder for TEINEM, will take the corner. Panchok's delivery is deep, but there is no black shirt inside the box, and the shot from Mako. Wow, that's left beautifully by one of his teammates, and Mako opens the scoring for TEINEM. And 15 minutes in, TEINEM have the lead. It was a good shot from Mako right at the edge of the box, and an assist to the player who left it in, and wrong-footed the goalkeeper. Foul on Todrikan.
match with free kick.
Free kick to be taken by Todrick Khan. Todrick Khan. Defended by Paysin. Now it's Somia. Somia. Under pressure from Chinganing. Somia. Rinchon wins possession for LAMLANG. Matanmi now. Matanmi finds Meiko. Meiko plays it back to Banchok. Banchok plays it out wide for Tim Yashang, but Tim Yashang just offside yet again. It was a good first pass from Banchok. Tim Yashang a yard or so offside. King Bum. Bit of a miscued clearance from Ganzo. Throw in for TEINEM. Meiko. Meiko lost it past the defender. Good skill from the winger, and in the end a clearance from Songrin that goes out for a throw in for TEINEM. Somia for Taising. Taising's cross goes straight out for a goal kick. Meiko. Meiko, good close control. Was looking for Nganaomi. Nganaomi cannot get to the ball. It goes straight back to the LAMLANG goalkeeper. Possession back again with TEINEM. Banchok out wide for Somia. Somia back to Banchok. Banchok left it for Matanmi. Todrick Khan. Ringchon now. Ringchon. Ringchon. Plays it back to Todrick Khan. Todrick Khan. Is ball for Mathan. Intercepted by King Bum. Tim Yashang. Tim Yashang for Meiko. Meiko. Good control from Meiko. Meiko. A little too heavy to touch from Meiko. Taken away from him by jersey number 4 of LAMLANG. But TEINEM get back possession through that throw-in. King Bum. King Bum for Banchok. Banchok. Miami. Good ball for Tim Yashang. Tim Yashang well defended by Dung Chibem.
Second match T Chanhong versus Ramfu. Third match Somdo versus
Tim Yashang. Dung Chibem does well again. Now with Ringchon. Ringchon.
Sixth match Dora versus Tora Ator versus
His pass.
Match
Not the pass that he was looking for. Banchok now for TEINEM. Oh, Banchok has lost possession there. Wins back almost immediately. Plays it out wide for Somia.
Second match T Chanhong versus Rambu. Sondra versus Ringwei Ramhon. Third match. Fourthly Raude versus Tali. Fifth match Pali versus Shokvao. Sixth match Dora Ator versus LAMLANG. Seventh match El Puntar versus Ringwei. Eighth match TEINEM versus Nainu Nahidadang Real Mira. Natuna list G Itume Bangli Arena Kara Misang Miolo Nishlagra. Women's tug of war with fixture later the Jitadle. First match Pali versus Somdal. Second match Tushen Chanhong versus Sekor. Third match Tale versus TEINEM. Fourth match Ngainu versus LAMLANG. Fifth match Rambu versus Ringwei. 6 match Litishar versus winner of second match. Tengrew Mira, Natumna, Idumli Listi, Arena Rami Sankavai, Kangahot Sadalay. Kalat Dog of War, we playlist me machingi panga, Trananga Kunra, substitute Kani, Haimi Byron.
The clearance from Nahanto all the way back to the TEINEM goalkeeper Rajipem. Rajipem asking his players to go forward. Good defending by Lemia. Tasing finds Meiko. Meiko, good control from Meiko. With Somia now. Somia won by Tasing. Nganaomi. Nganaomi, no idea who he left it for. Now it's Chinganing. Chinganing. Tasing now. It's a good through ball by Somia for Nganaomi. But the combination of Mathan and Tungchibem doing well to unsettle the TEINEM striker. Tasing down on the pitch here.
LAMLANG we keeper na kita gushid re. Injury ka serious ka sa injury ning sama nai. LAMLANG we keeper. LAMLANG we keeper na kita
25 minutes into this first half, and TEINEM in black have the slender 1 goal advantage, scored by Meiko, just in number 11 from the edge of the box. No teams have come close to scoring after that goal, but TEINEM enjoying the lion's share of possession so far. Kingpum back to his goalkeeper. Tasing. Panchok. Panchok to Mathanmi. Tasing. Finds Meiko. Meiko for Nganaomi. Nganaomi out to Miami. Miami back again to Kingpum. Kingpum to Miami. Miami. It's passed straight back to the LAMLANG goalkeeper. Panchok back to Paysin, and Paysin will find his skipper Kingpum. Kingpum always unflustered. The calmness in which he plays reminds you of the likes of Virgil van Dijk, and he's also very strong in the air as well. Kingpum, his long pass is also very accurate, so an exceptional player and a skipper as well for TEINEM. Paysin fouled by Chwingening. Free kick for TEINEM. Kingpum will take the free kick. Kingpum plays it back to his goalkeeper.
Number 2, Miami ball milaga. She left attack. She am gawai tek sak by build up sadly.
Panchok. Somia times his run perfectly. The ball just lacking the weight a little bit, but Somya does well to keep possession. Somya again to Taising. Taising to Meiko. Meiko for Panchok. Panchok out for Tim Yashang. Tim Yashang keeps the ball alive. Tim Yashang goes past Chung Jipem. Tim Yashang plays it back to King Bum. King Bum finds Matanmi. Clearance by Ganso. Todre Khan, Ringchon. Panchok again. Panchok. Foul on Panchok by Todre Khan.
Cristiano Ronaldo, my favorite position. Distance, eh? Number 4.
Free kick to be taken by King Bum. King Bum goes straight at goal. It's a wonderful goal, King Bum. What a strike that is. Had the power and the direction. And it's a stunning goal from the talismanic skipper for TEINEM. He scored the winning goal against Somtel yesterday, and he has scored the second goal here. And the shoe polish celebration there between Panchok and King Bum. An exceptional player this young defender is. Keeper got a bit of a hand to it, but the power. We wish King Bum took that strike. There was no chance for the LAMLANG goalkeeper, and that's 2-2 for the TEINEM skipper, who, as we have talked up very much in this commentary box, has been one of the standout players of the tournament so far. Throw in for LAMLANG. It will be taken by Ringchon. Ringchon plays it short. Back to Matan. Matan. His ball inside is well defended by King Bum. Matanmi. Tim Shang would have been flagged offside, but the keeper got to the ball ahead of the winger. TEINEM back at it again. Now it's the LAMLANG goalkeeper. Good clearance. Finds Ringchon. Ringchon is dispossessed by Taising. Panchok. Panchok now for Somya. Somya and Songrin on a foot race for that ball. The goalkeeper will get there ahead of both of them. Meiko has a swipe at it from very long range, and Tim Yashang getting on the end of that shot slash cross only heads it wide. And of course, while we have been waxing lyricals for King Bum, his centre back partner Paisin has also been exceptional. He has done very well along with King Bum, and they have been one of the best defenses in the tournament so far. TEINEM. The fitness levels of this player is also evident. Foul by Ringchon on the goalkeeper.
ai ngading kai de pang le ngading kai ki kam tham ra da medical team sam so be re free kick me repel jong free kick me re
Free kick for TEINEM.
skipper captain khaying pam na ke de di sad le
TEINEM, interesting because they've always looked to play the ball out of the back instead of trying to go long, and they have done so again. Kingpum finding Panchok. Panchok with the ball for Somaya, defended well by Songrin, and the ball ends up in the commentary box. Tasing with the throw in looking for Nganaomi, defended by Lemia. TEINEM for Nganaomi. Nganaomi judged the bounce of the ball wrong, and it's a goal kick for LAMLANG. The balance this TEINEM team has is exceptional. Not many standout players in the team, but the work rate that these players put in and the way in which they click, they play with each other, has been a joy to watch. They contain a very good side, very good ensemble side that included the likes of Formipum yesterday, and they have comfortably gotten a 2-0 lead here in this quarter-final clash between TEINEM and LAMLANG, and they lead this game 2-0. Yes, Matanmi is ball for Somaya, a little too heavy. Panchok, Maiko, Matanmi for Maiko, out wide for Miami to Matanmi for Nganaomi. Somaya is there, cleared by Ganso. Now with Matanmi again. Miami is Maiko with the headed effort, cannot direct towards the goal. It's a goal kick for LAMLANG.
Substitute.
It's an early substitution for TEINEM, and jersey number 12, Tim Yashang, makes way, and in his place is Rinsik Kayi. Rinsik gets it on the action straight away. Now with Matanmi out for Rinsik. Rinsik took the shot on. Handball there on Somaya. Panchok defended well by LAMLANG, only for LAMLANG to come back again. Miami, Maiko in acres of space inside that box. Maiko took the shot on. It's well over the crossbar, but this amount of space that has been afforded to the TEINEM midfielders has got to stop. The LAMLANG players have to close down the space better and stop the likes of Matanmi, Maiko and Nganaomi so much time on the ball. Otherwise The qualities that they have is such that if they're given any space to turn or to fashion a shot, they will take the shot, and it might end up at the back of the net. Mako back to Matanmi. Matanmi looks for Rinsik and Tungchipem. Tungchipem did well, the goalkeeper taking the ball away from both the players. Panchok has that space inside the midfield, and he took the shot on there as well. So there's the amount of space that's been given to the TEINEM midfielders. LAMLANG really need to shore up their defense as well as their midfield. The only problem is that they're not trying to sit back, they're not trying to sit deep. And while it is commendable that they're trying to play their own brand of football, it might come at a price too costly for them if they keep on giving spaces like that for the TEINEM midfielders. Foul throw by jersey number 10, Ong Remung, and the throw will be, no, it was handball. Played back to his goalkeeper by King Bum. Goalkeeper finds Matanmi to Naomi. Matanmi out wide for Taising. So that passage of play was exactly what I was talking about when I commented earlier that TEINEM, they're not trying to go long, they're not trying to hurry or anything, they're taking their time, they're always playing out from the back. There's no panic among the back line, and the midfielder is always there dropping deep to receive the pass, and the ball now back to the goalkeeper again. Now with Taising finds Somya in midfield. Somya's touch taken away from his feet. Now with Ringchon out wide for Jingening dispossessed. Panchok now. TEINEM. Naomi. Paisin. King Bum to Matanmi out wide for Naomi. This is the mark of a team that has trained well and that have practiced together for a long time. The confidence they have in each other and the mojo in which they're playing, trying to play out of the back, is really great to watch. Taising played back to his keeper, King Bum. One of the few times where he has gone long, and he finds Rinsit. Mako is flagged offside. Matanmi. A little over a minute or so in this first half, and TEINEM have 2-goal cushion here. First goal scored by Mako from outside the box, an outstanding goal, and as if there was a team competition among the TEINEM players for who scores the best goal. King Bum, the skipper, stepped up from defense and thundered in a powerful free kick to give TEINEM the 2-goal advantage that they have as they head into the break. Join us after 15 minutes for the second half of this third quarter-final match between TEINEM and LAMLANG.
Semi-finals women's volleyball. Quarter-final football. Pali versus Sekor. Anishiwi player lisi kathakai na khurami kawai khangkhotna. Pali versus Sekor. Quarter-final Muryoki Dalai. Jiwangai na player list. Jagarsaugi da higi kathakai na khurami kawai khangkhotna.
So
back underway for the second half of the third quarter-final match between TEINEM and LAMLANG. TEINEM in black, and if you are just joining us, TEINEM are 2 goals ahead in this tie. Change for LAMLANG at half-time, and Ashimba has come on for Chinganing. That's the only change to report from the first half-time. Matanmi for TEINEM. Matanmi looking for the run of Melko. Offside. Songrin. His free kick does not go to the intended destination with Matanmi of TEINEM. Still, Matanmi plays it back to Taising inwards for Panchok. Panchok back to his goalkeeper Rajipam to Matanmi. Matanmi's miscontrol nearly fell to Ransing, but they win back possession again. Ringchon cleared away from the part of Phongremung by Kingpam. Rajipam, a little bit like Edison, the goalkeeper, not afraid to get the pass back from his defender and not afraid to play out from the back. Matanmi. Ball intercepted by Songrin. Todrick Khan. Good start in the second half by LAMLANG. Kingpam is there, and he will bring the ball forward for TEINEM. Kingpam finds Panchok. Panchok was looking for Rinsik. Nanami cannot take the ball, but Rinsik wins the ball back anyway for TEINEM. Rinsik plays it back to Nanami. Nanami to Panchok. Panchok back to Nanami. Nanami for Matanmi. Matanmi miscontrol, but lucky break. Maiko with a good pass through for Somaya. Somaya on the right flank. Somaya plays it back to Maiko. Maiko. It's a good bit of skill from Maiko. His cross in is cleared by Nghanso. And Tungchipem with the final clearance. Ransing for Ringchon. Ringchon to Tungchipem. Tungchipem back to Ringchon again. Ringchon loses out possession, and Kingpam will play it out. Taising. Back with Taising again. Panchok all the way back to Kingpam. Kingpam's ball is defended very well by Lemia. Todrick Khan. Panchok for Nganami. Nganami on this left side for Miami. Miami through ball for Maiko. Maiko up against 2 defenders. Maiko plays it back to Nganami. Nganami back again to Miami. Miami for Panchok. Panchok goes past Phongremung. Panchok looks up at goal. Takes a shot on, but tracked it well wide of the far post of the LAMLANG goalkeeper. The goal kick will be taken by Matan, jersey number 11 of LAMLANG. Matan plays it short to Ashimpa. The substitute misses his kick completely, and Rinsik plays Maiko through. The pressure from Matan unsettling Maiko there, and Matan will be happy with the goal kick there, which will be taken by him, and he will go long. Ringchon. Todrick Khan back to Ringchon. John under pressure from Panchok, played it back to Songrin. Now it's Ransing. Oh, it's a beautiful ball out on the right flank for Somaya by Matanmi. Somaya crosses it back, but Matan at the right place at the right time to clear the cross away. TEINEM will come back again. Panchok fouled by Songrin. Panchok on this free kick. Panchok. King Pum is there. The keeper flapped that ball. It's not cleared yet. Cleared finally by Ganso. And an offside flag has finally been raised against one of the TEINEM players.
Match Raga High, Majahili, a rematch Samai Tweedley, Zinghammer, my Tweedley, Kukla Kamainava, Zingham, he shock Zang Zaida, come widely.
Bit of a break in play here with the LAMLANG goalkeeper nursing an injury here. Is being treated inside the pitch. Looks to have come off worst, and that coming together with one of the TEINEM players. Finally gets back up on his feet. Free kick for LAMLANG to be taken by Ganso. And so it's straight at Matanmi. Naomi back to Panchok. Panchok lays it out wide on the right flank for Somaya. Somaya as well to keep the ball in play. Somaya against Songrin. Somaya, his left-footed cross inside the box is cleared by Ransing. Tasing now. Tasing out wide for Panchok. Panchok cannot keep the ball in play. Throw in for LAMLANG. King Pum for Panchok. Panchok to Matanmi. Matanmi out wide for Somaya. Somaya. Judge Somaya. It's a misclearance from two LAMLANG defenders, but in the end, done very well by Ganso, who got in between ball and Somaya for the ball to be collected by his goalkeeper. TEINEM now, still. Ransing. Pace in, clears it up front. Nanami lays it back to Matanmi. Matanmi loses the ball in the middle of the park to Todre Khan. Todre Khan plays it out wide for Ashimba. Ashimba plays it to Matan. Matan for Ransing. Ransing is taken off. Pace in back to his goalkeeper. Placing for Panchok. Panchok to Naomi. Naomi back again to Tasing. Tasing goes past Matan. Tasing to Naomi. Naomi back to his keeper, King Pum. King Pum plays it short again to Tasing. Back to King Pum. King Pum from Panchok. Panchok. Tasing. Todre Khan. Cleared by TEINEM number 2, Miami. Naomi now. Miami for Rinsik. Cleared by Ashimba. Back again with TEINEM. Naomi for Maiko. Naomi for Panchok. Panchok looking for Rinsik. Rinsik on the left side. Rinsik, good cross in. Naomi chasing the ball a little awkwardly and got away from him, the midfielder. But still, TEINEM with a throw in here on this near side. Rinsik. Rinsik. We played inwards for Matanmi. Miami. Back to King Pum. King Pum. King Pum. The ball is still in play. King Pum plays it to Panchok. Panchok left it for Tasing. Tasing to Somya. Back to Tasing again. To Panchok. Panchok to Matanmi. Matanmi to Tasing. Tasing through for Nganaumi. Nganaumi is through on goal here. Nganaumi, good defending from Matan there. Matan plays it back to his goalkeeper. The goalkeeper very calm under pressure. Clears it for LAMLANG. Mistake there from King Pum. Shimba for Todre Khan. Dispossessed by King Pum. Tasing to Panchok. Panchok goes past Songrin. Played through for Somya by Maiko. Somya by the byline. Played it back to Maiko. And Matan will clear for LAMLANG. TEINEM almost immediately back again. Matanmi goes past one player, two players. Matanmi still out wide for Rinsik. Rinsik with a cross in. Well read by the goalkeeper, the LAMLANG goalkeeper. Tasing back to King Pum. King Pum out wide for Rinsik. Rinsik. Still Rinsik. His teammates are a little disappointed with Rinsik. A little disappointed with his crossing there. Push on the back of Todre Khan, and a change here as Somya is replaced, and on comes Mahaimung Ramror. Really wonder if the coach is making changes, keeping the semi-final in mind now. trying to give minutes to the fringe players and saving the star players for the semi-final clash. They are comfortably 2 up ahead. They still have around 25 minutes to go. Pace in. Pace in. Panchok. Panchok. Songrin earns a throw in. Songrin to Todrikan. Songrin again. Todrikan. Todrikan back to Lemia. Now with Rinsik. Rinsik on this left flank. Rinsik plays it back to Mahaimung, the substitute. Rinsik puts a cross in. It's straight at the goalkeeper. Rinsik hasn't been able to get a whip on his cross so far. Has put in a few crosses from this left flank, but LAMLANG have dealt with his crosses comfortably. Kingbum for Rinsik, intercepted by Tungjibem. Now with Tasing of TEINEM. Tasing try to play the ball through for Mahaimung. It does fall to Mahaimung. Mahaimung against Matan. Mahaimung on the back of Matan, played it back to his goalkeeper, and the goalkeeper clears for LAMLANG. But no respite for LAMLANG here, as Paysin will come again. Paysin cannot get past Ringchon. Ringchon plays it out wide for Ashimba. Ashimba to Ringchon. Ringchon finds Ransing, who is way offside. Not Ransing, Ongremung, who is way offside. Kingbum plays it back to Rajibem. Rajibem also, like I mentioned, very calm on the ball, not afraid to receive the pass from his teammate, and whenever he gets the pass, he also does not put his foot through the ball, but instead they always try to play out from the back. But LAMLANG here, the ball by Ringchon does not get to Ongremung. Matanmi back to his keeper Kingbum. Kingbum for first time plays it long, not exactly long, chipped the ball to Panchok. Now with Matanmi for Nganaumi. Kingbum out wide for Tasing. Tasing to Maiko now. Ringchon. Oh, the ball nearly went through for Ongremung. A shot by Ashimba almost came off as a pass for Ongremung, but Ongremung concedes a throw in. Throw in for LAMLANG. It will be taken by Shimba. Shimba plays it back to Hanso. Matan intercepted by Rinsik. Rinsik tried to play it through to Mahaimung, but the mistake. Matan making amends for his mistakes. Now Ransing. Ball taken off. Ransing. TEINEM now will come through Mahaimung. Mahaimung and Hanso going stride for that ball, and Ganso taking no chances with that one. Corner for TEINEM. Rinsik. Rinsik cleared at the first post by Tungjibem. who concedes a throw-in. Foul throw by Rinsik, and the throw-in will now go LAMLANG's way. Todrikan for Ongrimung to Ringchon for Ransing. Ransing now, his pass for Songrin was a little short. Now with Panchok for Ongrimung. Mahimung. Miami doing well to take the ball away from Ashimba, plays it back to his centre back. Pace in for Kingbum for Tasing to Kingbum to Panchok. Now with Ashimba of LAMLANG, who immediately loses possession again. It's a good ball through by Miami for Nganaumi. Flagged offside. So 2 more substitutions for LAMLANG, and Ongrimung is set to be replaced by Taolung, and Tungchipem will be replaced by, we will see. So Taolung replaces Ongrimung, and Tungchipem is replaced by, we don't know yet. We will give you the information as soon as we get it. So yes, Tungchipem is replaced by jersey number 6, Rashomi. Tasing played through for Mahimung. Charging down on Matan, but Matan stood tall and strong against the diminutive forward. Matanmi all the way back to his goalkeeper Rajipem, and Rajipem will play to Kingbum. Kingbum out wide for Tasing. Bit of a miscontrol there. They've always looked to Tasing for build-up of play. TEINEM. Tasing finds Panchok to Paysin for Miami. For Matanmi charged down by Todrikan. Todrikan's ball for Ransing is collected by Tasing. So Tasing, Panchok, Kingbum. That is the triangle of pass TEINEM have always looked for to build up from the back, and they have done quite well. A true ball that time from Panchok looking for the run of Mako, a little short.
Goal kick. Pali Bashiwi player list seeker.
Miami to Kingbum. Yet again out wide for Tasing to Panchok. There you go. The triangle of pass that TEINEM have always relied on. Songrin with a good tackle in, and the throw in on the far side for TEINEM. Kingbum plays it to Tasing back to his keeper. Kingbum for Panchok. Panchok inside for Matanmi. Matanmi loses the ball. Shimba now. Shimba plays it to Todrikan. Todrikan back to his defender. Ringchon emerges with the ball. Ringchon. His through ball for Shimba is intercepted very well by King Bum. Now plays in as well. Miami to Matanmi. Matanmi for Maiko. Maiko handled the ball in trying to control that pass from Matanmi. Panchok going down without any contact. Seems to be in a bit of distress here, and it'll be bad news for TEINEM because Panchok is a vital player for them in the middle of the park. They have signaled for substitution here. If they do, if TEINEM can see this win through, and if they do progress to the semi-final, they will be hoping that Panchok will be fit for the clash on Monday. But it is distressing to see that Panchok has been carried off on the back of the medical assistant here. This is not good sign for TEINEM. Panchok has been the creator-in-chief for TEINEM, and to have him and to lose him in such manner is such a shame. Hopefully he'll be able to shake off the niggling injury, and hopefully he'll be able to make it for the semi-final if, and I say that with a big if, TEINEM can see this 2-0 win through. A little over 13 minutes to go in the second half, and we have the first water break of the game. Double substitution in the offing for TEINEM. Jersey number 19 has been replaced by jersey number 9, Rying, and jersey number 17 will be replaced by jersey number 14, Shirachung. So 17 replaced by 9 and 19 replaced by 14. Panchok will not be able to continue. In his place comes Shirachung, and Rying maybe has to wait a little bit, as there seems to be a bit of a confusion there in the fourth officials area. We were not quite sure who he is coming on for. Free kick for LAMLANG. So jersey number 21, Miami, will be replaced by Rying.
TEINEM with Matanmi YS, Shogai Ray. Awi mahut Raying Bashina. Something solid lately.
So Matanmi replaced by Raying. Free kick taken by Ringchon. Tagged at goal by jersey number 14, I think, Ngohanso. And a corner for LAMLANG. Was a dangerous free kick there from Ringchon. Ngohanso could not get the direction on the ball. But they have a corner here anyway. Corner defended by TEINEM. Foul on. Mahaimung. Maiko. Through on goal. Keeper of his lines. TEINEM with a free kick at the center line. Naomi thought about taking it early but left it for his keeper. Kingpum out on the right flank for Mahaimung has support in the form of Raying plays it to Naomi steps over one player. Naomi takes the shot on, cleared by Matan. Tasing now. Tasing body checked by Ringchon but still nearly came away with the ball. Ashimba with the clearance. Out for Kingpum. The triangle now has been broken as Panchok has been replaced, but Tasing is there anyway. Tasing to Shirachung to Tasing to Kingpum. Tatrikan back to Ganso clears. Shimpa for Taolung plays it back to Ringchon plays it back again, looking for the run of Taolung did not make the run, so it is collected by the keeper Rajipem. And now Miami is on the ball for TEINEM. Miami for Maiko plays Raying through. Raying cannot get there ahead of Ngohanso concedes a corner. A little over 5 minutes to go and a corner for TEINEM. It will be taken by Paisin, the centre half for TEINEM. His centre half partner Kingpum has also stepped forward. He scored from a corner yesterday against Somdal. Taisin plays it short to Naomi plays it on the other side for Tasing for Mahaimung still Raying plays it back to Tasing plays it inwards for Naomi loses the ball there, and the Aransing pass for Taolung is intercepted by Miami, who also wins the throw-in of Taolung. Back to Rajipam, cool as you like it, but the TEINEM skipper waiting for the ball a little bit long there. Ringchon nearly got there ahead of the TEINEM skipper. Did no harm done there. Shiratsung to Kingpum. Out wide for Runsik. Runsik goes past one defender. Kingpum plays it back again to Runsik. Well defended by Ringchon, and in the end throw-in conceded by Lemia. Nganaumi.
Nganaumi
Nganaumi. Ngrimung. Mahaimung. Oh, Taising. Taising out wide for Mahaimung again. Mahaimung. Mahaimung. Twinkling fit there by Mahaimung. Kingbum makes amends for his loose control. Shiratsung Rying back to Shiratsung. Shiratsung plays it to his keeper Kingbum. Kingbum finds Nganaumi. Nganaumi plays the ball to Miami. Miami asking a little too much of Rinsik. Taolung heads it out for a TEINEM throw-in. You can't really say TEINEM have cruised this tie, but they have been relatively comfortable so far. And with just 3 minutes to go, you almost feel as if TEINEM have booked their place in the semi-finals. Rying was looking for the pass for Maiko. Songrin defended well and the keeper collects it. Tasing for Rying. Rying could not sort his feet out. Ball back with Tasing. Tasing to Nganaumi. Back to Tasing. Bit of a lapse in concentration from the TEINEM players, and it would not be wise to give away balls like that in the middle of the park. TEINEM, they have possession back. Shiratsung, Nganaumi, back to Shiratsung again. Shiratsung, Songrin up against Mahaimung. Mahaimung emerges with the ball. Mahaimung, the touch was a little too heavy and it's gone out for a goal kick for LAMLANG. One thing you don't want to see in a football match is complacency kicking in. It feels a bit like TEINEM players are trying to relax a little bit here, and because of that there's been a few misplaced passes, a few times where they've given the ball in dangerous situations. They need to rally back again. They need to get their concentration back again in this last few minutes. A needless corner conceded by Nganso. So as we head into the last minute of regulation time, TEINEM will have a corner kick to triple the advantage. Paisin to take the corner for TEINEM. Paisin, it's slow. It's sacked by Taising at the first post and cleared by Taolung. Another corner for TEINEM. Paisin. High inside the box. Kingbum is there, but Kingbum does well to get over the header, but the header was always going high up and over the crossbar. Taising, the right back, is playing in midfield now, with Shiratsung, the substitute, now operating at Right back. Tasing.
Facing the ball in the lane.
Avoid for Mahimung. Back again with Mahimung. Mahimung on the byline. Mahimung wins the throw-in off Ring John. And that is the full-time whistle. And TEINEM booked their berth in the semi-final, courtesy of 2 first-half goals. LAMLANG did very well to put in a stronger performance in the second half, but all academic in the end, as the damage was done already in the first half. A splendid goal from Meiko in the opening 15 minutes, and a thumping free kick from the skipper King Bum to seal the deal for TEINEM. So Ngai Ngư, El Phungthar and TEINEM all in the semi-finals now, and the last spot will be between Pali and Sekor, which is the last match of the day, and it will be coming up soon. We will see you again in a few minutes for the live telecast of that match between Sekor and Pali.